guys, it's Rina. So this is the tutorial video of Psycho by Red Velvet. We actually went through the first chorus part in my K-pop dance workshop in Arizona last week.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, circle open.
It was actually so many details than we expected, so we had to take a little bit more time than usual, but at the end we all got it. So that was a really fun workshop and fun songs to dance. Alright, so today we're all gonna learn these dance moves. Please make sure post your dance video with a hashtag K-pop with Rina so that I can see and share on my story. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so first we're gonna start from here. 1, 2, 3. This part, you're gonna make this pose, gun pose on both of your hands. You're gonna bend your knees, put your weight on the right, and you're just gonna make circles next to your head. You can also tilt your head to the right a little bit and just circle. Here we go, just like this. And then we're gonna cross our arm. Your left toe, just put it on your right and just cross your arms. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Now we're gonna open our hands, and at this point you're gonna close your palms in like this. Here we go, and open your hands. You're gonna step to the left as well, and then now you're gonna extend your arms. This time you're gonna put your weight completely to the right, take your left foot up. Now you're gonna shift the weight to the left, and you're gonna drop your hands next to your head again. Your palms facing forward. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now up, down. Here we go. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now circles, cross, left, up, left. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now circles, cross, left, up, and left. After this, again, we're gonna go back here. Up. Extend your arms, put your weight on the right, and then elbow down. There you go. So this is the most complicated part in this choreography, and we had to take a little bit more time. So we're gonna go through one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now circles, cross, left, up. Now left. One more time. Up, down. In the count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After this, and 1. This move, simply your legs just gonna be left, right. Your body forward, back, front, back. Now we're gonna add the wave as well. Chest, belly, hip. Chest, belly, hip. There you go. Chest, belly, hip. So we're gonna go 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And during this time, you're gonna add your arms. First, you're gonna make a fist. Take both of your arms up and pull it down. There you go. Down. Now on the second, you're just gonna relax on your arms. On third, you're gonna make circles towards your chest and boom, open. Here we go. And again, relax. Here we go. So, and 1, 2, 3, circle, 4, open, and 7, 8. Last one on 8, take your right knee here on the side. Alright, from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, circle, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After this, you're gonna make arm circle. Ba, ba. This part, since your right leg is up here on 8, you're just gonna touch, da, da, da. Here we go. Your arms make a fist. From here, you're gonna extend to the left and make half circles. And bo, bo, bo. Also, you can bend your wrist like this to make it move really. Here we go. So at the same time, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can also open your knees, da, da, da. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. After this, you're gonna cross your left foot behind your right foot, and we're gonna step da, da, da twice. Left, right, left, right. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and here we go. Your arms this time, you're gonna put your right hand on the back, left hand make this pose, not with your middle fingers, but only just index and thumb, and you're just gonna make circles next to your head, just like this, while doing the step. Ta 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 ta. 5 and 6 and. Alright, from here, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and. Now 7 hold, 8 get ready on 1. We're gonna get this pose. This pose, you can put your weight on your left. Here we go. And then your hands just looking at something. Put your elbows closed right now. And on 2, open. Here we go. And before we get to 1, we're gonna add head accent from the right to front. Here we go. And open your elbow. Now on 3, you're gonna shift the weight to the right. You're gonna also add your head wave. Just swing to the right and up. Here we go. Ta ta. And then on 4, you're gonna step to the left. Take your left elbow and flip it or slap it. Boom. One more step to the left. Take arms up and down. Wave. And on 8, ha, head accent. So we are halfway. Let's start from here one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now 5 and 6 and 7 hold. 8 get ready, head accent, and 1, 2 elbow. Now 3 to the right and 4 flip it, and 6 wave, 8 head accent. In a count, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, let's do from the beginning until here. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, circle 5, 6, 7, circle 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After this, we're gonna put your heels together. Now you're gonna take your heels off the mat and bend your knees. We're gonna make a diamond on your legs. Boom, boom, boom. That's it, boom. So we're gonna go twice to the right and then another twice to the left. Here we go. Each time you're gonna lean to the side, right, right, and left, left. Now, first, just lean to the side and make a diamond on your legs. Now on second, you're gonna add ha, head accent. Same thing on the left. First, just relax, and on the second, ha, head accent. And the entire time, you can relax on your arms, put on the back, pa, pa, da, da. Here we go. After this, you're gonna step right, left, circle. And here, you're gonna step to the right. Now, left, right, left. That's it. Right to the left, to the right, to the left. Now you're gonna add the hip wave. Imagine that you're drawing a half circle. Front, right, front, left, front, right. Now you can also add your chest move as well. It's not gonna be so huge move, but you can slightly add the entire body move. Here we go. No worries, we're gonna do only 3 times. So first, you're just gonna move to the right. Your left hand is on your hip. Now second, you're gonna cross and open, but you're gonna wait until very end. Hop, open. Here we go. Last one, you're gonna cross and make a circle and clap twice, up and down. Yes. So right, open, circle, circle, and again, boom. We're gonna get back here. First time we did circle and open, right? This time you're not gonna do circle. After clap, clap, again you're gonna boom, open your arms. Here we go. And then we're gonna go back here, da, 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 da. Okay, from here, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, to the right, and open, clap, clap, open, and circle, da, da, da. After this, again, you're gonna step back. This time, you're gonna take both of your hands and make circles next to your head. 5 and 6 and And then 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Until here it's same. Last one, you're just gonna extend your left arm and grab and flip. Yes, grab, flip inside, ha. And then again, touch your belly with your right hand, left hand, and push. That's it. So we're gonna start from here. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. To the right, open, clap, clap, open, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Grab, flip, touch, touch, push. Alright, let's start from the beginning. 5, 6, 7. Now circles, cross, open, up, left, up, down, and 1, 2, 3. Circle, up, one more time, and step, step, ta, ta, ta. 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3. Left, and 6, 7. Now to the right, and boom, to the left, and step, up, clap, clap, boom, one more time, ta, ta, ta. 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, let's do it in a count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, good job guys, and thank you so much for dancing with me. In case if you want to learn any K-pop dance choreographies in person, I have this weekly K-pop dance workshop in Arizona on Tuesdays and Thursdays. So if you are living here or if you have any opportunity to come out here, please feel free to join us. It's really fun workshop, and you can also make lots of friends who also love K-pop and dancing. I'm also personally planning to host this K-pop dance workshop not only in Arizona but also in other states or in even other countries as well. So if you're watching this video and have any ideas where I should go, please feel free to leave some comments and let's make it happen. Alright, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!
Thank you.